What is going on, people? In this video, we're going to deploy a super simple bot from the new OpenAI AgentKit that was released yesterday. And we're going to create a, again, super easy chatbot, and we're going to deploy it onto Lovable. So let's get started. So what we have here is an agent. It's built to talk about spas. If you didn't see my last video, I posted spa directory on Lovable. And since the release, I tried to play around with it and create a chatbot for the spa directory / magazine. And this is the prompt that I put in. So you could just get an agent here, right? You could even build another agent, which I'm not going to do that. Let's delete it. So all we need is just one agent to create the bot. Actually, if you want, you could put different agents on different pages, but you could just have one agent. This is the simple, the instructions, the prompt, and I got it from, I asked ChatGPT to give me a prompt, and this is the prompt that it came out with. You could pause the video and just copy and paste it. Actually, this is the original super simple prompt right in here. And I also created the PDF file. Okay, and sorry. And I had GenSpark create me this PDF file through deep search. And this is, it came up with this very extended I guess PDF file, and you could have multiple PDF files. I'll show you in a second. We go back to the OpenAI agent, and you can have, if you go right into tools, okay, and you could do file search, right? And you could connect this MCP service, but again, in this video, we're going to keep it super simple, and I'll show you how powerful this is. Okay, so you could have actually file, right? You could upload different files. So it does have a file right in here, but you could add other files. For example, one file just talking about massages, like going too deep into different massages that they have. You could have one file talking about facials, one file talking about waxing, and you could instruct it if the client is asking for massage or facial, it will look into different PDF files that you're gonna upload right into this toolkit. Okay, and in a second, I'm going to show you how to deploy. Actually, it took me a little bit to play around with Lovable, and I'll show you how this chatbot looks in Lovable. I'll see this. Now, if you didn't see my previous videos, I showed how to build this directory in Lovable, where I uploaded app file of different spas, and I was just uploaded right in here. And the only thing that changed in this video is this agent right in here. So let's talk to this agent. Actually, I'm going to show you how it looks live. Let's open up another browser. Sorry. So this is how it looks like. So let's type in looking for anti-aging facial. So let's see. And that's going over from the PDF file and the instructions that I put it in. Okay, so now it's recommending me a hydrofacial. Again, so this is a chatbot, and you could just, obviously, the more knowledge base you give it, the better it's going to be. You could actually have the whole menu with the prices and services. Obviously, you can instruct it to book an appointment or whatever you need the call to action to be. So this is the only thing that changed. And you can see this phenomenal answer, hydrofacial with LED light. Again, it could be changing from the knowledge base. Okay, so that's the only thing that changed in this video from this super simple chatbot that created in OpenAI agent. The only thing that I needed to do, I'm going to show you how I was able to put the agent to work right in here. I was able to deploy, sorry. If you go to, nope, right in here. Obviously, you're going to need to publish it, right? Once you finished. New version. Okay, let's publish Let's click publish. Let's see what happens. Preview. Oh no, code. So one thing that you notice in the new version, and let me close this, is what you have is a cloud. This in the new version of Lovable. And what I added the OpenAI API code into the database. Where is it? The secrets. And you could see there's OpenAI API key. And the other thing that I added was, and it didn't work, I went back and forth, was this workflow ID. For some reason, I couldn't get it to work. I was chatting with, it said that it was working, but not, you could see, not until I added this SD code. Okay, I went here and I copied this code and I put into Lovable right in here. That's when it really worked. But you could see if I go all the way back, I was just literally, it was just giving me different errors. And this is the workflow ID that I put in. Obviously, you're not going to put up OpenAI API right in here. Actually, you need to go into cloud again and add right in here the OpenAI, add another one. So if you have any other APIs and you want Lovable Cloud to store, this is where you store all this secret information for security reasons. And again, all I did is later is I put in this agent SDK code and it worked like a charm. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Show you how simple it was to deploy a super easy chatbot agent into your Lovable. So that's exactly how I got it to work, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.